What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is my review on Seagate's Xbox game drive, added storage for your Xbox. It is USB powered, no external power supply needed, USB 3.2, and it's compatible for Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S. To get it all connected, it's easy to do. Just connect the cable to the back of the game storage drive. Then connect the other end of the cable to the back of the Xbox. One of the USB ports should be labeled SS. Plug it into that port. Next, you want to format the storage drive. Then you can rename it if you choose to. I labeled it Xbox USB Storage. If you want your game downloads installed on the game drive, select Install New Things here. Continue to format to complete the process, and then it should pop up on the screen and recognize the game drive. Now you can use your game drive on the go and plug it into any compatible Xbox One. The storage drive is 1.8 terabytes, and by default, every time you install a game, it'll go to this game drive. When you select the game drive, you can move your game data to the internal storage or uninstall it. So on the Xbox, this is how much storage you really are getting on the USB storage device, 1.8 terabytes. These are the games I have installed so far on my USB storage device, and it's only 30% capacity. Thanks for watching.